guys, it's me Lee and welcome back to another video. So into today's video, this is just a really quick, simple video. So I've been making press-on nails for my friends and family, and this is basically just a quick video showing you what I will be putting in my little kit things. So to start off with, you would have your press-on nails. Now I've made these ones today for my friend. These are my first attempt at making short ones. I do have pictures on my Facebook, Instagram and all of that lot. So you would obviously get a little box, put your double-sided tape down, and then you would put your tips in tidy so they look nice and presented. And then obviously you would close your box. And then this isn't the file I would use, but I haven't got any at the minute. But this is just a nail file. The nail files I will be using will be the ones that you can get from anywhere. You can get them from Pound Stretcher, Savers, Home Bargains, any of those shops, because they are designed for natural nails. These ones are for acrylic nails. So basically anything that's 180 up, you know, higher the number, it's more suitable for natural nails. So you'd have a nail file. Again, the glue I ordered hasn't come. It's in like a little tube. If you ever bought press-on nails, you get like a little skinny tube of glue. That is the glue I'll be using, but this is just for reference so you can see that you would apply, add some nail glue. I will be adding 2 orange sticks into my kits. This little buffer block thing, these are so cute. One side's really rough and one side's soft, so you could use this instead of a file. I would like to add both just in case. And I have 2 alcohol swab wipe things. So these are so that you will, when you filed your nail and, you know, etched your nail, you will wipe over with one of these on all your nails. And then obviously you'll have a little bag or something, you know, to put everything in. And that's pretty much it. I do have a video on showing you how I personally apply these sort of nails. And that's it, really. So that is literally all you would put in. So you just whack it all in. Obviously this bag isn't big enough, so these would go in diagonally, this box in this bag. I like these bags. I think they look cute. And then that's it, really. So obviously natural nail files, not acrylic files, and you can put this kind of glue in, but the ones I've bought are the skinny tube ones. I think they've got 2 grams in it, whereas these bottles are 10 grams. So these are more ideal for like if you're doing lots of customers for actual acrylic nails. So yeah guys, that's it. So if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment below if you have any ideas for any other videos, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching guys, bye!